let's turn our attention to the forecast now. If you do have weekend plans, of course, you want to plan for the weather to be on your side. So we have KDKA First Alert meteorologist Trey Fulbright joining us now. And I don't like the looks of that bullseye behind you there, Trey.
Yeah, it's going to be a pretty active start to the weekend. Now, things will start to get a little bit better once we move to the second half. But today we do have at a big time risk of severe storms. Now, for western PA, we're not in the heart of the threat area. That's down to the south and west where they're expecting a severe weather outbreak across parts of Missouri, Illinois, and into Indiana. But our risk is a level 2 out of 5 for later this afternoon and into tonight. That means scattered severe storms that may contain gusty winds, large hail, and the tornado threat is very, very low. We don't really have a whole lot of low-level shear for that. But the winds could certainly be strong, and a couple cells that develop 60 to 70 mile per hour gusts, and then hail sizes could be upwards of quarter to golf ball. Again, not every storm will produce that, but this is kind of the upper end scenario for our region as we move into this afternoon and this evening. Radar showing a clean sweep right now across most of our area, with the exception of northwestern Indiana County. We've been watching a cell try to form along a remnant boundary. Remember, this morning we had some storms up along the I-80 corridor, so this boundary that's left over from that, trying to fire off some development there northwest of Indiana, but so far this hasn't been too successful. We're watching and waiting for storms this afternoon. As you can see, the visible satellite imagery showing a few cumulus clouds developing, and notice how that line is fairly sharp with the cloud cover. From Route 422 north, you don't really have that, but from Route 422 south, this will be the area we keep an eye on for a few isolated thunderstorms as we head into this afternoon. So this first round of storms will come off of what we're seeing down here to the southwest. This storm complex moving across Ohio and into West Virginia, it'll send out what we call an outflow boundary, and what that boundary can do is it can act like a little mini cold front, and as that pushes north into all of this storm fuel that's building up across western PA, this will likely trigger at least a few showers and storms as we move into the afternoon. And then later this evening, our attention will turn to this disturbance. There's not much with it yet, but this will fire up more storms out to the west. That'll make a run for us as we head into the evening and overnight hours. So here's the next couple of hours here. One of our high resolution models showing the area that we looked at earlier on satellite from Route 422 south, seeing some isolated development as early as 2 p.m. Those storms gradually work their way off to the north and east by 4 p.m. And again, any of these could turn severe with the potential of strong winds and hail. Now, as those storms work their way off to the north and east, we'll get a break in the activity this evening. Then here comes that second wave we're going to have to watch for the overnight hours. And notice that this will likely be a pretty intense line of severe storms moving across central and eastern Ohio. But the key is with this that as it moves into western PA, we may end up losing some of the storm energy and the moisture. If that happens to be the case, then these storms will weaken with time through the overnight hours. But if they don't, then they won't weaken. So it's kind of conditional on what happens this afternoon. If we see a lot more activity this afternoon to kind of eat up the storm fuel, then we won't have as much severe weather through the overnight hours. Through the day tomorrow, a cold front will come through. We'll have a few scattered showers in the afternoon. It'll be very windy as well. Those winds will usher in some drier air as we move into next week. We're going back into the comfortable level there on the muggy meter as we head into Saturday evening and Sunday. 7-day forecast, first alert day for that threat of severe weather later this afternoon and into tonight. Remnant showers and thunderstorms tomorrow. Gusty winds as well. Those winds will be out of the west between 35 and 40 miles per hour, but then they will diminish Saturday night and Sunday. Then a pleasant stretch of weather there for the early part of next week before more showers move in Wednesday and Thursday.